Hi everyone, it's Ian here from RFI. It's been some time since we've put out a video, so this series of videos we're going to be talking about UHF CB antennas, and most importantly we're going to be talking about gain, talking about radiation patterns, and talking about installation, the do's and don'ts, and how to get the best out of your UHF CB radio by using a good quality antenna. But just quickly a little bit on RFI. RFI is an Australian-owned company, 37 years old. I guess we've made our name in supplying antennas to the emergency services. So we take that technology, we take what we've learned in supplying antennas to the emergency services, and we put that into our range of UHF CB and our cellular antennas. I guess this is the big mystery thing that gets spoken about around the campfires on four-wheel drive trips and everything like that. Everyone wants more gain. If we just start off to try and explain gain, just imagine zero gain. The zero is just a balloon, and that's the radiation pattern that we've got coming from an antenna. And all we're doing is when we're creating an antenna that delivers more gain, is we're taking that balloon, and imagine it's a balloon that's in my hand, and we squeeze that balloon. And obviously the balloon gets squashed out, and we elongate the pattern, or we elongate the gain. So as you go from zero gain, like a round balloon, and we squash it, we go out to 3, 6 and 9 dBi gain. I guess the problem with that is that's fine when you're just using it in a normal situation, but when you get into big high country and the Blue Mountains and things like that, in more mountainous terrain, you don't want a really high gain antenna because you end up with a very thin pattern, and as you start going up and down hills, that pattern starts to tilt, and that's going to affect your performance. So my recommendation is think about your gain, think about where you're going to go. My personal view is use a good all-round type gain. Around about 5 to 6.5 is a good number. That's going to give you good performance in desert. It's going to give you good performance in the mountainous areas. And we have got some options where you can buy one antenna and get two whips and have a low and a high gain whip. But we'll talk about more when we talk about products.